Once lost, now returned. After 70 long years, the world's fastest land animal is back on Indian soil. Did you know that cheetahs once sprinted freely across the Indian subcontinent? From the Deccan Plateau to the Rajasthan grasslands, they were part of India's natural heritage. But by 1952, they were gone, officially declared extinct in India. But why? Overhunting, habitat loss, and royal fascination among the few reasons. Yes, the Mughal emperors and the Indian kings captured and trained cheetahs to hunt unknowingly, sealing their fate. Also, there were indiscriminate hunting of the species itself. Fast forward to 2022. India launches Project Cheetah after a long discussion, the world's first transcontinent reintroduction of a large carnivore. 8 cheetahs from Namibia landed in Madhya Pradesh's Kuno National Park on September 17, 2022, and in 2023, 12 more arrived from South Africa. This wasn't just a conservation effort, it was history being rewritten. Oh, but wait, why African cheetahs and not the original Asiatic ones? Because it's the sad fact that the Asiatic cheetah is almost extinct now. Fewer than 20 survive in Iran. So African cheetahs, a little genetically close, were chosen as their substitutes. Now let's discuss why Kuno National Park was chosen. So Kuno National Park isn't just any forest. It has 748 square kilometers of core habitat of the cheetahs, very low human density, open woodlands and grassland perfect for cheetahs, and also it's already prepared for lion reintroduction. It became the starting point of India's cheetah revival. As of 2025, here is what we have got. So the mortality rate which is coming from the news is around 40 to 50%, but we expected a survival rate of at least 85%. It was not easy. Several cheetahs are being dying due to fights, illness, climate stress, and many more. The reintroduction saw mixed success, hopeful words, but tragic losses as well. Yet this proves these cheetahs can survive and even thrive, but we have to maintain a good conservation effort. Here are some challenges. They are facing extreme heat and unfamiliar prey. Their conflict with leopards and other predators are also very dangerous. And some cheetahs stray close to human villages. Also, Indian forests are not African savannas, and that means careful adaptation practices shall be reinforced. So more cheetah-friendly zones like Gandhi Sagar, Nauradehi, Mukundra Hills are on process, and ongoing monitoring with satellites, collars and drones are being used, and awareness campaigns are being held for the communities across the jungle to prevent human-wildlife conflict. This is a multi-decade project, slow, steady and science-backed. Now the question is why it matters so much. Why go through all these efforts for a species that vanished 70 years ago? It's because cheetahs are ecologically stabilizers. They help control the herbivore population, restore balance to grasslands, revive neglected ecosystems, and moreover, these were their grounds actually. Their return also sends a global message that India is serious about reversing biodiversity losses. The cheetahs have returned, not just to run, but to rewrite history. This project is more than a wildlife story. It's a national comeback, a symbol of hope, and a challenge we must see through with science, patience, and passion. If you believe in conservation and the power of nature's revival, so just tell us your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos like this in the future.